So today I will show you how to use HTML. HTML is a coding language. It is used to make websites. So today, let's start with tags. Tags are the things in HTML that you will need to make the websites. So let's start with the most important tag of all, the HTML tag. The HTML tag is the tag that starts this whole thing. Then now we need another tag, the closing tag. To make a tag a closing tag, you need to press the / key, and then you need to write your tag again. Then now, I'm using Text app on Chromebook, but if you're using Microsoft, you can use the Notebook app, the app on your Microsoft computer. So now, we need to do a lot of that because we're going to do a lot of coding in here. So now let's start with another tag. It's called the head tag. The head tag is the things that you can't see. To end it, you need the /head tag. Oh yeah, you need to add the arrow first. And then now, you need to press enter, then space a few times. You can press tab if you want. So then now you need to go here. Then now you need to add your title tag. Your title tag is what your thing is going to be called, or your website's going to be called. So now let's close our title. Okay, so now let's write this is okay, so now we need to add another tag. It's called the body tag. The body tag is the things that you can interact with. So now, and you can see, so now let's add the body closing tag for the body. So now guys, you need to press enter a few times and then space, because there's going to be a lot of stuff in this. Now let's start with another tag. Let's start with H1. H1 means like how big your text is going to be. This is going to be like H1 means the biggest, H2 means a little smaller, H3, H4, H5, and then H6. H6 is the smallest it can go, so let's start with H1. H1, and then now let's add the closing tag for H1. Now let's make our title called Hi Guys. Okay, now we need, if you want to add a sentence, you have to do this P. I know it's weird. I don't know why they did that, but just you need to type in P. Then we can write something like, Hi guys, this is HTML. Okay, now if we save it as HTML, now we need to write HTML.html. Remember to do that. So now go into your files, and now you need to press this file. So now look, see, it says hey guys HTML, and look, it's called this is a tutorial. So now guys, let's close it and then let's go back here. To add an image, you need another tag. Okay, now, so this tag is called the IMG. This tag is a little different. So now this IMG tag, it doesn't have a closing tag. I know some of them don't have a closing tag, so you need to write src, then you need to write equals, then now you need to write abbreviations, then now you need to write your file. I already have a file of a potato right here. Now you need to write in the name. My file is named eee.img. Now you have to add a self-closing tag. I know it's weird, but you have to add one. And now let's save it. Now let's HTML. Now let's replace this one. Now let's go here and then now let's click it. Your image should appear here, but mine isn't appearing for some reason. I think it's something with my internet. But now I have something else to show you guys. So now in body there's another one called button. It's exactly what you think it is. So button. So now you add the closing tag. This one does have a closing tag, so then now you need to write a name. Click this. So now let's save it. Save as HTML. Now let's replace it. Okay, now let's go back here. Now let's open this up. Click this. Give it to me. And now guys, I have another one. This one you might not use all the time, but this one is sometimes good and useful. This one is called HR. It's the HR. HR makes a line. So now you need to self-close it. HR. Okay, now let's save it. Save as HTML. Now let's replace it. Then now let's click it. See, look, line. It will come where you place it on the text. Since I placed it all the way up here, it's going to be above all of them. That's why my image was over there and my button was right next to it, because my code is right next to it. So if you want it to go somewhere else, you would have to place it downwards in the code. But for all, that's it. Goodbye guys, and remember, this is global learning for fun.